Hey y'all, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today's video I will be showing you guys how I installed this wig here using Royal Me hair in less than 20 minutes. Okay, get into this hair. Doesn't it look really good? No customizations or anything. The wig came just like this is. What? Let's go. And we're going to go ahead and set the timer to show you guys this is a very easy and beginner friendly wig that you can achieve in less than 20 minutes. Because a lot of times that you put on wigs, what am I looking for? Oh, the clock. A lot of times when it comes to applying your wigs, it takes a long time. Okay, so the timer has started there. The best thing about this wig is that it comes pre-plucked, as well as the knots have been bleached, and it already has like the stocking cap in the inside, and it has adjustable straps. So let me go ahead and put it on. Cornrows are dusty. Okay. She look good, don't she? And this is perfect for the summer because it's a nice little cute bob or whatever. Really cute. Look at that flow. I'm going to go ahead and cut my lace. I know y'all like, Ty, be quiet and just do the wig. You got 20 minutes, girl. But I'm trying to talk to y'all. So I'm going to pin this back. This is on my ear though, so I might have to cut that band. Oh no, it's okay. It's right under my ear, so that fits fine. You can kind of see where the cap is here, so I might have to do something about that. I don't like that. Where that stocking cap is at. All right, so let me go ahead and cut this lace. But after you go ahead and glue your wig down, you won't be able to see the little stocking cap underneath. So make sure you are using some glue adhesive so you can melt that lace down. All right, it's been 4 minutes. Okay, so let me get some glue. I will be using the Bold Hold Extreme today. I need a little mark just so I won't go out too far. Y'all, look how much in front of my hairline it is. I got a big forehead. So I'm just going to do one layer. That's all I need. One nice thin layer. And the glue that's on my finger, I just rub it off. Or you can get a washcloth with alcohol on it. It'll come off. And we're going to bring this down. Okay, looks pretty good. All right, and it's been 13 minutes. Okay. Okay, looks pretty good. But I think I want some baby hair. You can definitely wear it without, doing anything to your edges. It looks perfectly fine like this. So, take some setting lotion. I want to push back off of my face. Just pull out a little thin pieces of hair. I'm just gonna cut those and then put some holding spray on my finger to get them down. And when you're applying the Got to Be Glued Free spray to your edges, you want to keep working with it until it gets tacky. Once it starts to get tacky, that's when you can really go in to form your baby hair, and that will help it to look softer and more natural. Okay, so I'm gonna just do the other side just like I did this one, and it's 17 minutes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna flat iron this. Take it from behind my ear. Okay, y'all, I'm finished. What time is it? 20 minutes and 43 seconds. So it's a cute little bob. You can push it back, or we can bring it back forward. Y'all, this wig looks so good, right? It's like the perfect bob. The perfect bob. Tell me this don't look like my hair. Tell me it don't. Look how cute this is. So cute, so natural, beginner friendly. And the fact that they already have that cap there, you don't have to like mold the cap onto your head. The cap is already here and you don't even have to put any concealer like on your part. Look how pretty this hair is. Look at that. Look at the luster in it. Looks very natural, very, 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 very realistic. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up in two little space buns, and while I show you that, I'm going to show you guys my new necklace and phone case. All right, you guys, look at my necklace. So I received another necklace from Soufeel, and this is their long infinity necklace, and it has BeautyWithTy on it. So I received this necklace as well as I received this phone case. It is super cool. It has glitter in it, and underneath it, it's my pictures. So you see here underneath, it has my pictures. Look at that. Super dope. But definitely click the link down below if you like this case. It's really cute, and it's on their website for only $9. And if you like this necklace. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this, and if you guys would like to see more 20-minute styles. This wig was really, really nice, from the construction all the way down to all of the customization they did with this wig. So it is very beginner friendly. It is listed on their website for $185, but this wig is bomb. Like, this wig will last you forever. So definitely go ahead and invest. I love this wig. It is definitely tie proof. So click the link down below so you can go and get your perfect wig for this spring and summer. Leave me a comment down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.